Pig farm has been very good and lucrative business, but the challenges we have are enormous because almost the major feeds that we use are all imported, and due to the crisis in the petrol industry, I think everything has gone up, and therefore has been a great challenge to some of us here in Africa, especially our country Ghana, because right from just within the last 2 months, there has been about 300 to 400% increase in almost all the products that we use. The premise, the soya bean, and even the maize that we produce locally, because they are also talking about their challenges, of which we know fertilizer has been also a problem due to Russia and Ukraine war. So we are really suffering, but we believe maybe one day we have some kind of mercy from somewhere that's sustaining us. Apart from that, we are not making it at all. Only not even breaking even. So that is few things that we need to share. But aside that, we believe it's a very good industry, very good farming structures that we have here, of which we need not to even abandon it. So we are encouraging the stakeholders and those concerned, the government and all other agencies, to come to our aid, because we indeed have heavy challenges that we cannot bear alone.